Hi, this is 2015 Maserati Ghibli, and today we're gonna show you how to remove the factory screen and the radio. And first, you will need to use a popper panel. Gently open it from the top, all the way from the left or from the right to the left to pop this out. And after that, you can reach to the screw right on the right hand side. There will be two. Remove those two screws and remove another two screws from the left. Don't open the top, because once you open the top it might damage the top clips and also the silver trim. So after you have four screws removed, and you can use the popper panel to pop the air vents out. And after that, there will be two connector that connects to the factory bottom, factory buttons. One on the right, one on the left. So these two small ribbon, you need to be careful when you unplug it from the small frame. And also there will be a connector for the temperature air vent sensors here. So you need to unplug three connectors from this. So there will be four connectors, sorry. So four connector, two on the left, two on the right. So the other one is located inside, and just right here. So they're both same connector, but two on the left, two on the right. And we're gonna show you the connector locations. One is right here behind the air vent, like this angle right here. When we turn around, you will see this will be two ribbon connections to these two knobs, which is the volume knob and the next check or turning knob that on the frame. And again, on the right hand side there will be one more connector, same as the other, behind the air vent. So you will need to get this removed. And the problem is, like right here, you can see the clips is kind of hard to take it out. That's why we ask you to lift up the plastic frame to remove those screws without damage it. And also a lot of video on YouTube channel as well, they mention after we remove it will looks like this, because on the top this is the metal clips, it's really strong, so it can damage the frame. So basically there will be three metal clips at the bottom, two metal clips on each side, and two metal clips on top of the frame. So they have a lot of metal clips, so you need to be careful to open it. And after that, we'll show you how many clips. There's three metal clips on top and four metal clips on top. So this will be one stay inside. So you can see that in total is four. And then nothing on the side, and the other four clips at the bottom, which is really strong. So there's two, one, two, three, four. Some of them they are in black color, that's why it's really hard to show in the video, but it will have four clips underneath at the bottom. So in total will be 8 metal clips. After that, then you can remove the frame with the air vent. And now you have access to the factory screen. So for the factory screen, you need to release 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the shape of the screw is the Philip. So after you have that removed, screw disconnect, remove from there. There will be 2 connectors, 3 connectors at the back of the factory screen. So get them disconnect, and there will be 1 more LVDS cable. So total 3 connector, and from the factory screen. And now you can remove the factory screen from the vehicle. And there will be 2 screws, 1 located on the right and on the left. So get them removed. And here will be the same thing. Right here, the hole for the screw. And after that, pop this cover out, the side cover. Pop this out, and there's no screw holding it. It's just the metal clips. And there will be 1 more screw holding the factory climate control panel. So get them disconnect, and also same thing on the left hand side. Pop the side panel out, remove the screw, and for the climate control panel, then you can have the climate control pop out. So to pop out the climate control, you will need to use a pop-up panel to help you do that. And also at the back of this will connect with the radio, factory radio. After you have the factory radio out with the climate control panel, you can see there's a few connectors that you need to disconnect from the system, and also the LVDS cable that connected. Those are 6 connector with 1 LVDS cable. So this is the video to show you how to remove the factory radio and the screen from the vehicle. Thank you.